Hi everyone, if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be reviewing and creating makeup look using this brand new NYX eyeshadow palette, which is called Licorice Lane. So it has 10 matte colors. I think I need to take this plastic cigar off first. So it's an eyeshadow palette that's part of a candy collection. They created quite a few items with that, and I'm gonna be reviewing of items in another videos, as I really wanted to create makeup look using this palette this time. So as you've seen, I just opened this up in front of you. I haven't swatched it yet or anything, so I have no clue how pigmented it is or anything. So the colors are really there, really bright and intense. I like it that actually has a classic black, so you can create a smoky black eye or dark brown color. It's more like a burgundy brown color in here. And another thing what they have is this dusty pink kinda, and then purplish blue, yellow been trending so much for a whole year now, I think, and orange, so these two are really up there. And then a red and a super bright red. So I think without any further ado, we should just swatch them all maybe. So let's start with this dusty pink color. The pan itself is huge actually. Can you see like next to my finger how big it is? So it's gonna last like forever. Okay, all right, so dusty pink, I call it dusty pink, there's no names for it. I would call it dusty pink. Really intense from what I can see so far. This red color. Ooh, okay. Orange. Okay, so the colors are definitely there. Another color that I really want to test out is the yellow one, because I like a little bit of yellow. Okay, lighter colors I think is harder to make pigmented and bright, but this yellow is definitely here. It's definitely noticeable, so maybe a bit of blue. Oh, okay. Okay, the colors are really pigmented. Okay, so I just cleaned up my hand, like semi-cleaned my hand with a wet wipe, and it's actually like proper stuck on my fingers, so it's really pigmented. Let's do this line as well. So the super bright red. Oh. Alright, the color is there. This purple, a more intense, lighter purple. Ooh, I think we got the message. What I like about it, that the colors are all matte, so if you have hooded eyes like I do, that is your friend then. Let's try this burgundy brown color. Oh my god, the colors are all like super mega intense. I think we got an idea how pigmented it is, because wow, I mean, do I need to say more about it? I don't think so. I think without any further ado, we should just jump in and create a makeup look. So 10 super mega pigmented colors. I get why we call it Licorice Lane, because you can get the candy in these colors, isn't it? Oh my god, I'm trying to clean it off and it's not coming off. So the color is intense. Okay, let's try the hand. Is it coming off? You can still see a little stripes of it. Alright. It's definitely there. The color is definitely there. So far, I am super impressed how pigmented it is. 10 colors, all matte, hooded eyes. It's gonna work for you for sure. So I think without any further ado, let's try to create a makeup look using not all these colors. I was about to say using all these colors, and I don't think I can manage to use all 10 colors, so we're gonna create some freaking makeup look. Let's do this. Alright, so I have some crazy eye makeup look in my head. Maybe it's gonna work, maybe not, but let's do this. So I'm just taking a clean brush and we're gonna start from our transition color using yellow. Higher than the creases, close to the eyebrow. I think we might have some fallout, so to prevent that, I'm gonna put some loose powder under my eyes. We're gonna wipe it off later. I look funny, but that's alright. It's part of the plan. So we start with the yellow color as our transition color. So the color is not as intense when using a brush, because I swatch it using a finger. So always, if any eyeshadows in general, the color is not as intense when using a brush rather than using a finger. So if you want the color to be more intense, use a finger. Okay, that should do. So next thing we're gonna do, take the orange color and go slightly bit lower when we apply this yellow color. So next thing what we gonna do, I think, I'm literally improvising, guys. I think I'm gonna go with a darker purple color on the outer corners of my eyes. And just place in the outer corners. Bear in mind, I'm using the same brush as we started from a lighter color and we're going to the darker. So that's totally cool. Plus, I like to reuse my brushes. That means washing up less later. So what I'm doing now, I'm just blending this in, the colors together. So I'm taking a smaller, denser brush and the same purple color and placing in the outer corners as I want it to be a little bit more intense. So I'm using the same brush, I'm just cleaning it off on my palm and blending this purple color in on my mobile lid. So I'm leaving the more intense part on the outer corner and I'm just blending that in the rest. So next thing I'm thinking, because I want to use more colors from this palette, thinking to do the clouds a bit and use a blue. What do you guys think? So I'm gonna I'll try two different brushes. We'll see which one's gonna work better for this look. So one is a Real Techniques square detailed brush and another is a liner brush. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray them up with a setting spray and then draw the clouds, and we're gonna clean underneath later with the concealer. So I'm gonna spray the brushes with a setting spray, matte finish spray by NYX. The reason I'm doing that, the spraying part, because I want the color to be really intense. I'm gonna start maybe from inner eye corner a bit. Make sure you're doing that higher than your creases because it's gonna look like a cut crease. And I'm doing this with my eyes open like I would normally be. Because if I would do it with my eyes closed, I wouldn't see where my crease is. And later with my eyes open, it might look a bit funny. Going in a little stroke motions as that's easier. If you don't trust your hand that much, you can always draw the line with a white eyeliner first and then just do it with a color. Gonna try and do the same on this eye and get back to you. So I did this eye as well, and what I did already, I cleaned up with a concealer closer to the inner eye corner and to the middle, and then just blended it out, added in with the Ovette Mini Beauty Blender. So I'm gonna do exactly the same now on this eye as well. So just taking a small dense brush. This one is an angled eyeliner brush, I think. No, spot liner brush by Zoeva. So I'm just taking a tiny bit of a concealer on and cleaning up from the inner eye corner to the middle, underneath the blue line. So I'm gonna leave the concealer the way it is. I don't think I'm gonna be applying any eyeshadow over it. I'm gonna leave it the way it is, and I'm just gonna take a little bit more purple color on the outer corners. Making it messy at the moment because I'm gonna take a little bit of the orange and apply closer to the blue line, the last one on the outer corner. And I'm just gonna take a fluffier brush and blend these colors together, concentrating on the outer corner and not dragging too much to the middle of the mobile lid. And the eyes are nearly complete. We just need to apply a little bit of eyeshadow on the lower line and clean this mess up. This powder, I mean. Can you tell I've been on holiday and forgot how to film a video? Yeah. By the way, I went to Thailand, so we've been traveling in Thailand, and my Thailand vlogs will be coming up on my channel soon because I got so much material to edit, but I thought I better film this quick tutorial first, as this would be faster rather than editing all my 2-week travels, nearly 3-week travels. So let's come back to this Licorice Lane eyeshadow palette. So for the lower lash line, I'm trying to use as less brushes as I possibly can. Closer to the inner eye corner, we're gonna go with a yellow color. So I'm reusing the same smaller dense brush that I used before, and I'm just packing color close to the inner eye corner. Oh wait, I got the lash extensions for my holiday, so I still got a few hanging on there. So next thing we're gonna do, we'll take a bit of orange and then we'll finish off with a purple. So same brush once again, an orange color in the middle of the lower lash line, just blending in the color with the yellow. And then this velvet we used before on the outer corner. And then blend together colors. Okay, let's clean up this powder, excess powder that we have underneath. So I'm gonna use NYX Worth the Hype mascara. And voila, the makeup look is complete. If you're wondering what's on my lips, it's a NYX Liquid Lipstick Lingerie in Embellishment. So what do you guys think about this makeup look? Yay or nay? Leave a comment down below, let me know. I am honestly really liking this eyeshadow palette. I think the colors are perfect for a colder season, for autumn winter makeup looks, because it's all a little bit darker. It's still bright, but it has darker shades in it, so I think it's so perfect for colder season, for winter and autumn, to create many makeup looks inspired by falling leaves and all the Christmassy festive stuff, because it's perfect colors of it. Actually, even the red looks and all, so here you go. Perfect palette. What I like about it, there is 10 colors, and all the pans are really big and it's matte. So if you, like me, have hooded eyes, you'll surely love it. Although I do love a little bit of a glitter and sparkle, but it's a little bit trickier to play with the hooded eyes. So this palette, 10 matte colors, perfection. Couldn't recommend more. You've seen how pigmented it is, so a little goes a lot, trust me. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick review tutorial. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next on my channel, and I'll see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Ciao for now.